Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to make OBS record only game audio. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So launch your OBS and click on settings, click on audio and desktop audio. Click here and make sure to select default. Disable other audio sources if you wish, and click on output and click on recording format and select MP4, and you can choose your audio bitrate levels from here and click on apply. Okay, and click on start recording to record your game audio. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.